Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the VRS Design active case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So I've been looking around for a lot of cases, and this one I actually stumbled upon on Amazon, and it looked pretty good for the price. I believe it was around $20, and it looked pretty good to me. The reviews were pretty nice, and so I went ahead and decided to buy this. And also, this was the only one that I could find that was in stock right now. So as of right now, a lot of cases are out of stock, and so they were gonna arrive in like 2 to 3 weeks. So I was trying to find one that could arrive really quick because I really don't want to damage my phone. I know that I would drop it, and so I went ahead and stumbled upon this case right here, the VRS Design active case. And as I said, it looked pretty nice, and so I went ahead and ordered it right away. So let's go ahead and begin with the unboxing of this phone. So first up, let's check out the box. It says VRS Design Galaxy Z Flip Series active, and that's going to be the version of the case. We can see a quick image of what it looks like, how it actually covers up everything, and we also have this cool stand right here, as we can see, so we could actually plop it down, in vertical mode or horizontal mode, I believe. It says for the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it's the matte black version right here, so that's the color I got. There were two other colors. There was a grayish color, and I believe there was a blue one, but I will leave a link down below for anyone that actually wants to check this case out. So the right side says Galaxy Z Flip 3 Z Flip Series active case, and then the right side just says VRS Design. The back, it says designed for your mobile life, and it gives you some information right here. So premium, made with high quality materials, which we'll have to test out all of these. It says it's light, so not a lot of bulkiness added. It protects it, obviously. It says it's a slim case, anti-shock, and button sensitivity. So the buttons should be really clickable as usual if we did not have a case on it. So if you have watched my previous case videos, you guys have probably heard me mention the fact that some cases, when you put them on, the buttons actually are harder to press, and so you got to put a little more force into it. But depending on what this case says in the back, it shouldn't be like that. But we're gonna have to test out everything right now. So let's go ahead and open this up. We have a pull tab right here, but we also have tape right here. So let me go ahead and get that cut real quick. Boom, boom, like so. And let's go ahead and pull this now. So this is actually very similar. The design, at least, of the box is very similar to speaking cases, because they also have this pull-up design where you just pull this little tab and it actually unboxes. It's actually really nice. It's a lot easier. That's why I really enjoy it. We have nothing else inside the box. We get the two pieces for the phone, and that's basically about it. So they're in these little baggies. Let's go ahead and open these up. I can manage to. Boom, boom. Let's get this out. This is going to be the first half of the case right here, and then let's also get the other half out. Okay, and boom. So here we have our case right here, and let's go ahead and check this out. So looks really nice right now. I think we have these stickers to actually put it on, so it actually holds the phone better. And we also get another pack of stickers, and I guess that's for the top portion of the case right here. So we have our stand right here, the one I was talking about. I think you just actually, nope, it's not how it works. Or is it? I think you just pull it. Yep, you pull it and it actually comes out, and there's this another stand, so it'll actually hold it better when you place it down and your phone is actually over there. And then you can also put it in horizontal mode, so if you're watching something, it'll just be an easier way to watch it. We also have our cutout for the display on the outside of it, which is going to be right here. So that's really nice. And we also have another cutout here, and I believe that's for thermal issues, I guess. So let's go ahead and try to get this case on now. So plop that back out, open up the phone. Okay, let's go ahead and get this case on there. So I believe you have to slide it in like this. boom, like so. And then we also have the other half, which we will go ahead and slide this in as well. So this plastic piece isn't actually connected to the other half, but once you put it on, it'll actually hold it down better. So like so, boom. I think that should be it. So pretty easy way to put the case on, and right there is the plastic piece. So that'll actually protect this portion as well, and you're actually getting a really nice case. So it opens and shuts easily. You don't get any extra force. Closes perfectly. Still is pretty slim, and so that's actually really nice. You can still access your cover display easily. So double tap to wake it. We have our cameras right there. It's actually raised a little higher, so the case is actually raised so you don't actually damage your cameras and display. We have this nice sturdy hard plastic on it, and then as I said, once you open it up, you immediately can start using your phone right away without any issues. So that's actually really nice. It looks pretty bulky actually. From images, it looks really bulky, but from what I've seen right in front of me, it's not actually that bulky. It's actually a slimmer case than usual, which is actually really nice. So you'll get the protection, the bulkiness, I guess the looks, and also the slimness of it, so you don't have to add any extra anything extra to it when you're putting it in your pocket. Because when you fold it, you're basically having two phones. Even though it's a little smaller in dimensions, you're actually having two phones in your pocket, and if this was a thicker case, that would actually be a lot more annoying than usual. So overall, this actually looks really nice. It opens and shuts perfectly. I don't seem to have any issues. I can hear the plastic sliding in the back, this one that's actually behind right here. So when you're pushing it out, it actually slides into it, boom, and it's actually all the way over here. And then when you're pulling it, this actually goes back, and so you don't take up as much space in the back. So that's actually how they've designed this. So overall, this case looks really nice. I will have to test it out a little more to give you all my perfect, give you guys a larger amount of feedback. I will keep y'all updated on Twitter actually. I'll post a couple pictures with it after a couple days. But for now, this seems about it. So we have our cutouts right here, our speaker grill cutout, our charging port cutout, our microphones, and then this part is perfectly made so you don't have any issues when you're opening it. Slides in perfectly, slides out perfectly. We do have this little portion right here. I'm not really sure what that's for, maybe heat dissipation, but I guess it might be to make it look cool as well, because we also have one here which actually has no function to it. But overall, it looks pretty nice. We have these fake screws right here which add to it as well. Let's go ahead and pop out the stand. So plop it down, and boom, as you can see, we can just plop it down. We could use this as a clock when we're sleeping. Just put it next to your nightstand if you have one, and when you wake up, you'll be able to cancel your alarm from right there, or you can actually just check the time. And then we can also go ahead and open it up and actually stand it vertically like this if you want to use your phone vertically, and we can also put it down like this and use it horizontally. Let me go ahead and get that stand opened a little more, and boom. So you could use it horizontally when you're actually watching a movie. You could also use it like this and half closed and whatnot. You know, if you're trying to take a shot of something that's a little higher, you could actually do this right here. There are many things you can do with this phone. So since the phone folds, plus you get a vertical stand with it, you're actually able to do a lot of things. And overall, this seems like a pretty good case in my opinion. So I actually do enjoy this case, and it looks really nice. And would I recommend it to y'all? Yes, I definitely would recommend it. If you don't like the bulky look of it, even though it's not bulky, don't go for it. You can go and get a slimmer case, but for the price of this, and especially that this is the only one that I could find in stock, this is actually a really nice case. This is going to be my first VRS Design case. I've never used them before, but as of right now, I think I'm liking the case so far. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.